Message. What's up, y'all? JoJo here. Make sure you like, subscribe, share your boy content if you're new to the channel. Go check out my other videos to catch up on my personality. So today, if you haven't seen from the title, I'm finna show you guys how to, I'm finna show you guys how to create a thumbnail from your phone. Some of you guys might not have a laptop, so we finna solve that issue. Like I said, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. You know, that's how this channel eats. And it definitely keeps me motivated to push out content for you guys. What else? Alright, so look, the two apps you're gonna need today is called PICSART and it's called PHONTO, right? I'll have both of these apps in the description, if not on the screen. Alright, so the first thing you wanna do is make sure you, I had to turn my phone on to record, screen record. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go to after downloading PICSART, you want to download PICSART, right? And let me delete this, don't save. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is go to the bottom, and as you're going to see, you're going to click that transparent screen. It will show nothing here. And you want to do is click next, and you're going to click save, and we're just going to save that for now. Alright, because I want to get that part out the way. Alright, so next you want to go to the top and click photos. And you want to click whichever photo of your choice that you want to have as the background, right? I chose this photo, as you can see on the screen. You can go to Google. Even if you do not have a photo, a specific size if you don't have the specific thumbnail size of the photo, all you have to do is find a photo, go down here to the tool section and click crop. When you click crop, it gives you different options from square to a 16:9. You really want to click the 16:9 to get the thumbnail approval. Alright, so we already have a photo. Now let's find, we have our background, let's find our photo. Yeah, so look, we already have our photo. I don't know what happened to the screen. The camera just cut off on me randomly. Alright, so when we find our photo, for this example, we're gonna use the same DDG photo that we've been using, right? I would have used these other photos as well, but I was recording the same video earlier and it seemed to give me some more issues, so we just keep it simple, right? Alright, so what you do is grab the photo. Once you have the photo, you want to click cutout, right? Cutout, you know, since PICSART latest update, it makes it a lot much easier to cut out somebody. So once you click persons, you know, it kind of do the hard work for you. All you have to do is click save. And what it does is it's basically creating a sticker. You feel me? So next, once you do that, all you have to do is click border, and it does that little white border effect that everybody wants, you know, on their photos. All right, it's very quick and it's very simple, right? Boom, we got the text. We got the photo. Next, what we're gonna do is we can go to Google again, and we can look for, you know, some emojis. We can use this one, okay? We're gonna download this image, add to photos. Alright, we're gonna go to PICSART, we're gonna click add photo. We're gonna add that bad boy, and as you can see, he's big chilling. I do need to bring him to the front, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring him to the back. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click him, and then I'm gonna click up here to these squares. I'm gonna say move down. When I click move down, that basically moves him to the back. See? Boom. All right, boom. We almost there. All right. You know, my camera cut off on me, so let's keep going. All right. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add text. All right, but we're not gonna add text on here. We're gonna exit out. We're gonna exit that part out. We're gonna keep it the same. Apply, right? And then we're gonna go to that PHONTO app that I was telling you guys about, PHONTO. All right. So once you have PHONTO, it's gonna ask you for an image. We're gonna use that same image that we just used, that we used in the beginning, that I told you to save, right? Boom. We're gonna click done, and we're gonna click the screen. We're gonna add our text. This one's gonna say how to make. All right, how to make, right? This text that I'm using is the Fortnite text that you guys can probably look in the description. I will have a link there as well. So once you do that, it says how to make, right? You want to click done, and then it pops up here. All right, so you have options here, right? If you want to add a little, some style to it, you have that option. So you want to add that little gradient effect. You want to go to create color pattern, right? And then it gives you this color tab. You get to choose your colors basically. So for this video, we're gonna do some blue. We're gonna do some red. We're gonna do some more blue, like a darker blue. And then once we have our colors figured out, you can choose up to 5 colors, but today we're just gonna choose 3. We're gonna go up here to the top where it says horizontal. Instead of horizontal, we're gonna click vertical, right? And it gives that little effect that we was talking about, that we looking for. So as you can see, it's not exactly what I want it to look like. So I'm gonna keep, messing with the colors a little bit. See, that's a little more cooler. All right, and then once you do that, all you gotta click is apply, and then it gives you more options. So let's go to stroke, right? Once we do that stroke, we can add a little slight stroke to it. But let's first go up here to the top where it says style. Style gives you that more of that shadow effect that you're looking for, like boom, that popping effect. And what I did was I clicked the A's that's here at the bottom. It gives you that shadow effect, So we're gonna keep it like that. We click the first A. Let's go back to colors. I think that's cool. Done. How to make thumbnail. Okay, let's click on this text again to make thumbnail. Click done. Let's give it some curvature. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna scroll over, give it a little curvature. All you gotta do is bend, slight bend. It's kind of big too, so I want to make the size. All you gotta do is click size. It comes down a lot smaller here. I think the curvature is a little too curvy, so let's fix it a little bit. All right, boom. So we got that to figure out, size. Boom. All right, so next thing we're gonna do is we basically gonna duplicate the text again. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click, I scroll over, and then you click those double squares. And this one is gonna say like DDG. Yeah, I had a brain fart for a second. Go back to the text. And we're probably gonna change the stroke to like a red stroke. You feel me? Give it some more of that pop, like DDG. Size it up. We're gonna change the curvature back to kind of normal. Let's duplicate this text again. And we're gonna change this text up, and we're gonna put on your phone. And we're gonna change the curvature again, back to normal. But we're gonna change that text, because that text starting to look like poo. Alright, so let's change it. Let's give it more of that curvature again on this other one, because I'm not really liking how it looks. I should have probably just kept it the same. Yeah, I should have just did that. Boom. There we go. Sometimes it just surprises you. I'm gonna be real with you. Style. Stroke. Let's go back. We're gonna bring that down a bit. Go back to red, but we're gonna bring it down. Yeah, like DDG. Alright, so what we're gonna do is save as. We're gonna save this image as a PNG. It gives you that. Okay. Yeah, okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to PICSART, right? And then add photo. And then your photo should be there where you had created that art. And then there you go. You see, it kind of looks, you know what I mean? It kind of looks plain, but just 1 second. Let me see something. We're gonna add a photo again. See, guys, it's that simple. You know what I mean? It's okay, you feel me? But it kind of gives you like somewhere to start. I mean, so I can go the extra mile. I can get to adding more people. I can add his brother. I can cut him out, click person, boom. That's kind of, and then you add another stroke. You feel me? Boom. You know what I mean? Just keep doing the same shit. We can add McQueen on that bad boy too. Definitely go support these guys, top YouTubers. I'm just trying to, solve some problems, some issues, some problems that you guys might be having that you want to make these cooler YouTube. You know what I mean? That's all you gotta do is just keep adding photos. And then cut out, click the person. PICSART do everything for you. Add a border, another border. Just make him smaller. Alright, so that's pretty much it. We're just gonna do that for now. If you have issues like here pointing out on the side, just all you gotta do is hit the erase tool. And then you're back to normal. And let's just do one more photo. And that should wrap up this video here. I'm gonna use, I'm gonna put myself in there. I'm tripping, bro. Put myself in there. What the fuck I was thinking? Yeah, I couldn't decide where I wanted to put it. Let me add my photo. I'm gonna add 7 on there. Boom. Then we good, baby. think that's it. No, that's not it. Almost. I was down there covering up the brother. Ooh, that's a cool idea. You learn something new all the time. Boom. Can't even really tell. Boom, that's how you make a thumbnail like DDG, guys. If you like the video, make sure you share, like, subscribe to your boy content. I know this video is a little longer than it normally is, but you know, like I said, like the video, subscribe to the channel. That's how this channel grows. I'm sorry the camera cut out, but it is what it is. Appreciate it.